Well, we're going to head back to our phone lines. Our topic tonight is Ask Us Anything. We have the great Ronald Davidson here with us who can handle any question you throw at him. So we're going to start with Martha, who is over in Anniston. Good evening, Martha. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, good evening.
Hi.
I had prayed about this situation, and then for me to see it on TV tonight, I'm believing God might have a good answer for me.
Amen.
But anyway, I have a brother that's in prison, and he was in there for bank robbery. Not bank robbery, Lord forgive me. He was in there for robbery, and he fell under the 3-time habitual law. And so that's how he got a life sentence. And I was wondering what kind of lawyer do I need to try to help him get out. He's been in there 22 years.
Okay. And it was a life sentence?
Yes.
Okay.
He's going to need to contact somebody who does the parole work for the parole board. Unfortunately, in recent years with our parole board, they're not letting many people out, even though there's a big public push to let people out, to reduce some of the overcrowding. The people have been in there, have been rehabilitated. There's been several cases in the news about the mayors, even district attorneys, former sheriffs pushing to say, let's get this guy out, but the people on the parole board just say no. He may be eligible for parole. Has he been up, after he's been there 20 years, he's probably been up for parole at least once.
So so you say a parole attorney, is that different than the regular criminal defense
somebody,
attorney?
one does a lot of criminal work that does parole work.
Okay.
I haven't done any of that. Because it's not very successful. It's tough.
Okay.
So a situation like that, if somebody has been convicted or pled guilty 20 years ago, like for this call, I would think that you're not going to overturn that and somehow get the person out of jail.
No.
It's going to be a parole issue.
Exactly.
And hope for the best, I guess.
Gotcha.
Yeah. You may have a Rule 32, which there's been some ineffective assistance of counsel, but that's long shots.
Yeah.
But it's usually a parole issue.
Okay. All right.
Okay. All right. Well,
Very
thank
good.
you for that direction. And Martha, thank you so much for calling. We certainly wish you the best in helping your brother.